Hey, in this video, I want to talk to you about how to make money with email marketing. Email marketing is a great way to earn online. It's actually a really simple process, and I have this image here to show you just a real simple example of what an email sales funnel is like. Essentially, you just send traffic to your opt-in page. That's really all you have to do. And then after someone gives you their email opt-in, then they're going to get some automated follow-up emails. And these go out automatically. So once you have it set up, it's hands off after that, except for sending traffic to your squeeze page. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get some free, very high quality squeeze pages to use, and also where to get the follow-up email messages to send these messages. Okay, so what we're going to talk about is how to get the opt-in page, which again, we can get that. I'm going to show you how you can get that. Some really high quality ones for free. I'm going to show you my recommendations for email responder. Again, they have some free options for that. And then you're going to need the email follow-up messages, which will go out automatically. Now, if you're not used to email marketing, then you're going to need some training as well. So let's go first and talk about the training. This is a product called Email on Fire. This is from a marketer named Kevin Fahey. Really good guy, and he provides quality training, only things that he actually does, and he's going to show you the ins and outs of how to get started with email marketing. Okay, now this is a little higher maybe than you're used to paying for things, but it is really, really good training, very quality training, and I highly suggest that you pick this up if you need some good training on how to make sure you're doing email marketing correctly. Okay, now let's jump in here and let's talk about the things that you need. So you do need an opt-in page, right? That's where people are going to give you their email so they enter your funnel. So where can you get free? There's a lot of different software that you can use to create opt-in pages. Some of them are very expensive. You know, you may be thinking of things like ClickFunnels or different WordPress plugins, etc. You know, there's ways to do it for free. Even if you're using, like Elementor on WordPress, Elementor is a free plugin, but you have to pay for a domain, you have to pay for hosting, so there's other costs. So I'm going to show you how you can do this for totally free, and it's through something called List Infinity. List Infinity allows you to create a free account, and in that free account, they give you 14 done-for-you opt-in pages that you get to use even with a free account with List Infinity. And these are nice opt-in pages. This is one example. And you can see it's very nice. People are going to put in their email, click send me the video, and get added to your email autoresponder. And you get access to all 14 of these. So you can find out which one works well, which one you like, and use them. Now, obviously, since these are being done for you, they're being hosted by you, you aren't able to edit them, but these really are nicely done and you do not need to edit them. Now with List Infinity, you can create a free account. Okay, so create your free account. And then they do have two paid options as well. One is their starter plan, which is just $10, and then their pro account, which is $100. These are just one-time payments, but allows you to earn either $10 payments. If you join at $10, you get $10 payments. Or if you join at $100, then you get $100 payments instantly paid directly to you. So, but you can get started for free, take advantage of these opt-in pages. You are going to need an email autoresponder. Okay, an email autoresponder is a software essentially that allows you to create opt-ins, etc. I only really recommend either GetResponse or Aweber. I've used both of these in the past. I currently use Aweber. They both have free plans, okay? So you can start for free with both of these. Now, as you build up your email list, you're going to have to upgrade, but at that point, you're going to be making sales, and it's really only about $16 a month for either one of these, okay? And so at that point, it'll be a non-issue as you're making sales. But you're going to need an email autoresponder. I really only recommend Aweber or GetResponse. I'll leave links for everything in the description box down below. So there'll be links for List Infinity, there'll be links for Aweber and GetResponse. There are other email autoresponders, but as a word of caution, a lot of them do not like you to put affiliate links in your emails, and they will close your account without any warning. And that's why I only recommend GetResponse or Aweber. Now, the last piece that you need is you need email messages. Okay, so if we go back to our image, you got your free opt-in page or squeeze page from List Infinity. They're hosting it for you. There's no cost. And after people opt in a traditional funnel, you may offer an upsell or a second upsell just to try to make some money. You certainly can. But the nice thing with List Infinity is they are going to, after people create their free account through the opt-in, let's just go back real quick. So once somebody enters their email and they say, send me the video, it's going to take them to this essentially upsell page. Okay, and they can either create their free List Infinity account or they can sign up for $10 one-time payment or $100 one-time payment. So those are essentially your built-in upsell offers with List Infinity. Now you need the email follow-up messages. These messages that are going to go out automatically through your autoresponder. So Aweber or GetResponse will just automatically send these messages out. And so where do you get these messages? Well, let me show you. With your List Infinity account, they actually give you 30 messages included with your account. Okay, so here I am in my List Infinity account, and when you go to set up your system, they're going to, connect your autoresponder so that these opt-in pages work for you, and they're going to show you how to import your email campaign. If you use Aweber, then it's very simple to import the email campaign. It just does it automatically. You don't have to worry about it. If you use GetResponse, you do have to do a little more manually one by one, but still very simple to do. Okay, so there's 30 days worth of email follow-up messages, and those are promoting List Infinity. So where else can you get messages from? I'll leave some links again down below. Super Sales Machine, which is a great service that I use, and I make affiliate sales from Super Sales Machine as well as use their products. You can enter your email and get access to 258 email swipes that you can upload into your autoresponder. So here's access to 258 email swipes. There's a person named Lee Murray who really has a very engaging writing style, and he provides a lot of done-for-you content. And so I'm going to show you a few of his offers. This first one is called his Recurring Income Kit, and you can buy all these for about $13. But in the kits that he sells, so this one is promoting products that people who are working online need, and they also pay recurring monthly commissions. So if you want recurring monthly commissions, these are great products to promote. Obviously, we just talked about Aweber and GetResponse, and then you can see the other products that are promoted that pay recurring commissions as well. And so in all of these kits, basically what he does is he provides 30-day email messages. So you have another 30 days of emails. Okay, they're done for you. You just import them into your autoresponder. He does provide some opt-in pages as well that can be specific for this, but you don't need them because you're going to have your opt-in page through List Infinity. And then it provides training, traffic training, so you're getting a ton of really good information for $13. He has a few other kits I'll show you real quick. One's called High Ticket Affiliate Commissions, and this is a really nice one because these emails, again, you get 30 of them, they only promote high-ticket products. So this is where you can be making, commissions of $500, $1,000 for every sale. And so again, you're going to get these done for you email swipes that you upload into your email autoresponder. And now again, if you want to use his lead capture system, you can, his opt-in page. But again, you can get your free one from List Infinity. And then last one I'll show you that he has more, but I'm just going to show you examples of 3 of them, is where he has done for you emails that talk about how to get traffic. What's the number one thing people struggle with when they're trying to make money online is how to get traffic, right? And so that's what these emails do, is they talk about how to get traffic and promote different traffic options. Okay, so here's some of the different traffic options and services that are promoted, and again, you get 30 emails, okay, promoting ClickBank products. So those are a few examples. Again, I'll leave all the links in the description box below so you can go and check those out. Pick up the ones that you think you would like. So between the 30 email messages you get from ListInfinity, you get 258 from Super Sales Machine. And then this is the recurring income kit from Lee Murray, which is 30 messages, high ticket kit from Lee Murray with 30 messages, and his traffic kit with another 30 messages. You can see you can easily have an entire year's worth of follow-up emails in your autoresponder. So then the only thing you need to do is get traffic to your squeeze page. And once people opt in, these email messages will just automatically go out, and you'll have opportunity to make commission anytime somebody purchases from one of these emails. So I hope you found this helpful. Again, I'll leave the links in the description below. Appreciate you clicking and checking those out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and please subscribe so you can get more information as I put it out.